Hi, welcome back. Today, we're going to learn about AspectJ Constructor Interception. We'll see how AspectJ can intercept constructor execution using the new pointcut. Suppose I want to perform some custom logic whenever a constructor is initialized. For example, I might want to add some logging, perform validation, or execute some other logic whenever an object is created. That's where AspectJ Constructor Interception becomes useful. In this video, I'm going to perform some custom logic whenever the demo controller object is created. Let's open our logging aspect. Let's create a new pointcut for constructor interception. Now, in the declaring type, you can see we're currently using com.gan.darpun. But this time, I only want to match classes inside the com.gan.darpun package whose class name ends with controller. So, let's update the declaring type pattern to match only those controller classes. Now, you'll notice that we're using asterisk in place of the method name. But for constructor interception, we don't specify a method name here. Instead, we'll use the new keyword to match constructor execution. Now, let's update it. Replace the asterisk with new to match the constructor execution. Now, look at the beginning of the pointcut expression. For a method, we specify a return type, but a constructor doesn't have a return type, not even void. So, for constructor interception, we don't specify a return type here. Let's remove the return type as well. So, now you can see the difference between a normal method pointcut and a constructor pointcut. Here, we don't specify any return type, not even star. And instead of using asterisk for the method name, we use new. That's the only major difference here. Let's create another before advice for our constructor pointcut. This advice will execute just before the demo controller constructor is executed. That's it. Our constructor pointcut is ready. Now, let's build the project and make sure everything compiles successfully. Okay, I got an error. The issue is that I accidentally added an extra T in this join point. Let's fix that typo and build the project again. Now, let's start the application. Take a look at the console logs. As you can see, Spring Boot creates the demo controller bean, which means the demo controller object is being created and its constructor is being executed. And you can see that our constructor aspect advice is triggered as well. So, our new pointcut is successfully intercepting the demo controller constructor. And that's it for this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.